Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the line style of the crosshair cursor in TradingView. If you've ever found the default crosshair hard to see or just not quite to your taste, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize your crosshair to make your charting experience both easier on the eyes and personally tailored to you. Alright, let's get started. First things first, head over to TradingView. You can do this by opening your web browser and going to tradingview.com. If you're not already logged in, just enter your credentials. No need to rush here. Take a moment to get settled on your dashboard. Next, you'll want to select the product you're interested in analyzing. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, a futures contract, or really any chart you want to work with. You can do this by typing the ticker symbol directly into the search bar at the top, or you can browse through your watch list. Selecting the right product is important because each chart might have its own custom visual settings, so it's best to make these changes exactly where you need them. Now, once your chart is open, move your mouse anywhere in the grid view, the area where the price action is displayed. Go ahead and right-click. Don't worry if you're new to right-clicking around the chart, nothing's going to get messed up. You're just bringing up a menu of extra options that makes customizing your setup much smoother. From here, look for Settings in that menu and click on it. This brings up the Chart Settings window, where you have access to a whole range of customization features. You'll see several tabs within this window. What we're after here is the Canvas tab. Click on that and take a moment to look around. This section controls the overall look and feel of your chart background, grid lines, and of course the crosshair itself. Now scroll down to find the crosshair section. Here, where the magic happens. You'll notice a few ways to modify the crosshair cursor. Specifically, you can change the line style and the color. This is really helpful because sometimes the standard crosshair can blend in with your chart colors, or you might want a dashed or dotted line to make it less intrusive. Think of it like choosing the right highlighter for a textbook. You want something that stands out, but not so much that it distracts from what's important. Take a moment to try out a few different styles and colors. You can see the changes previewed on your chart as you make selections, which is super handy. Maybe you prefer a bold red dashed line, or perhaps a subtle gray dotted line looks best with your theme. The choice is yours. Don't hesitate to experiment here. You can always switch it back if it doesn't feel right. Once you've picked the line style and color you're happy with, just press OK to lock in your changes. That's it. Your chart now sports a crosshair cursor that's easier to see and uniquely yours. You'll probably notice right away how much clearer your analysis feels, and with less eye strain too. And there you have it, a simple way to make your TradingView charts a little more comfortable and efficient to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your favorite crosshair setup, drop a comment below. I love hearing what works for you all. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.